I know you want to get into the garden, but is it tough to do that when you're sitting in a sitting position, like from your wheelchair or standing with a walker in front of you? Well, guess what? There are some tools like this one in my hand to help you out. I have Amy here from the Toledo Botanical Garden. She's a horticulture technician, and you know all the magic about these tools. Now, Amy, this tool is very easy to grip.
Yeah, here at Metro Parks we have a really big commitment to inclusivity. This one is shears that have a larger handle, so they're easier to use and just more comfortable if you have don't have as much fine motor skills.
Look at me, I'm using my left hand and it's really easy.
Yeah,
not easy. But really they do move very smoothly. I know that I have some at home and I do have to use two hands with that. So that was really easy.
Yeah.
The other red handled ones, they're just kind of curved and they feel
Yeah,
good
they're
in my
designed
hand.
ergonomically so that you can use leverage. Once again, with the fine motor skills, you can use more leverage with those than a typical.
This one is crazy shape.
Yeah.
What would this one be for? To like pop weeds out, right?
Yeah, that would be a weeding tool.
Okay.
Yep.
All right. I really like that. And of course, many of us like to garden. Sometimes we're doing it from a seated position, or we can't quite move our hands right. So we have other tools that help us with that.
These set of tools, they all have wider handles, so they're easier to grip and they're extended. So if you're sitting like in a wheelchair, you can reach across those raised planters and get more range.
Weed the other guy's side of the raised bed,
Come weed
right?
my side, yeah.
Nice of you.
And then these waters too, you can use these without fine motor skills. So
kind of press it with your palm of your hand.
Yeah.
This one, Amy, is my favorite.
There you go.
Oh yeah. Look how easy that is to move.
Yeah, really easy to go back and forth.
Super easy. And then you can easily, like again, that long wand helps you get all the water where you need it in your garden.
Exactly.
I know that there are specific gardens even that we have here in the Toledo Metro Parks for people that have special needs.
Yes, one of our newer gardens is the Donahai Inclusive Garden, and that just opened last year. So if you want to come check out some really cool raised accessible planters, there's a lot of neat stuff in that garden.
Oh my gosh, we definitely have to do that because that will help everyone get growing.